how to make an acai bowl. So the first thing that you want to do is grab all your ingredients that you need to make it. And then here are all the ingredients that you'll need. Then you want to start by putting the frozen banana in the blender. And I also use like a handful of ice. And then you put in the acai packet. And also put in almond milk or any milk that you like to make it easier to blend. You want to blend it so it has a pretty thick consistency. These are the ingredients that I'll put on top, but you can put any fruit you'd like. After you wash and cut your fruit, you can put it on top of the bowl. And add some other toppings. And then drizzle on some honey and you're all set.